24/7 Teachers Training, our lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Triangle. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. These books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract, and students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the introduction to triangle shape. Say Assalamu Alaikum and good morning to the children. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Learning objectives. The students should be able to identify and draw a triangle, sort shapes based on one characteristic, display a large triangle in the classroom. It could be a cardboard or 3 pencils forming a pyramid. Show it to the children saying that this shape has 3 straight sides and 3 corners. In math, we call these corners angles. Now present a large square paper to the students. Ask them how they can construct a triangle from this shape. Demonstrate by folding the square paper in half diagonally and cutting on the fold to make the triangles. Ask them if they can make 4 triangles from the 2 they have. Simple. Just repeat the action of folding and cutting in 2. Show the children 2D picture of triangle. Ask them what shape is this? Triangle. How many sides does it have? 3. How many corners does it have? 3. You can do various activities like gluing craft sticks in the triangle shape on construction paper. You can dip triangle-shaped sponges into paint and press on paper. You can cut paper or fabric scraps into triangles and glue on the paper to make a collage. Play a game with children. Cut pairs of triangles in different measurements: 2 equal-sided, 2 short and wide, 2 tall and narrow. For example, paste one of each pairs on poster board. Invite the children to match the triangles in hand to those on the poster board. Encourage them to draw a triangle in the air. Reinforcement worksheet of triangle can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.